प्रेजेंटेशन शुरू करो।
एक मिनट रुक जा।
सर हम लोग ग्रुप में सर मैं हूँ और अमित है, आकांक्षा, आदित्य मिश्रा और अभिषेक।
एक मिनट। आकांक्षा अमित आदित्य आफ्ताब आकांक्षा अमित आफ्ताब आकांक्षा अमित आदित्य है ये।
अभिषेक भी है सर। सर एक बार नाम रिपीट कर दीजिए सर, एक बार जो आपने लिखा है।
आफ्ताब आकांक्षा अमित आदित्य अभिषेक।
और एक अजय भी है, अजय।
अजय कहाँ है? यहाँ तो दिख नहीं रहा मुझे।
उसने सर ज्वाइन नहीं किया है अभी।
आगे ज्वाइन कर रहा तो मत
हो रहा है।
हाँ हो रहा है, सो हो रहा है।
हाँ
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर। सर आवर टॉपिक इज सर ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग बिहेवियर ऑन एफएमसीजी प्रोडक्ट। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड अभिषेक प्लीज। सर सर sir, fast moving consumer goods, that short form is FMCG sector, is the sir four largest sector in India, touching every day. Sir, the study of consumers help firm and organization improve their marketing strategy, to understand the psychological of consumers, how they think, feel, and select between different alternatives brand product. Because sir, there are so many FMCG brands and their companies like sir, 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 sir in digital MX players and so many uh, so many products are there, sir. There are sir too many companies in FMCG sectors like as sir HUL, Hindustan Unilever, ITC, Nestle, Dabur, Asian Paints, Cadbury, to provide their products at minimum price in the consumer in the market. Next slide, please. Abhishek, next slide, please. Yes, sir. Thank you. The fast-moving consumer goods are the popularly named as consumer packaged goods category, including all consumable. People buy it regular intervals. That products are household items and daily consumption have the high return. The fast-moving consumer goods industry includes they are used at outcome small-scale consumer decisions supported. The supply chain and making sure available wherever someone might want or need. They fulfill their all needs to the consumers. Market search, consumer research, segmentation, and product positioning. The compulsory homework. They also provide the sell their products at high rate in the market and to fulfill their competitors' strategy. So the food category in FMCG is gaining popularly with the of launch of HUL, ITC, Godrej, and others. This category has 18 major brands, eh, and that fulfill their incomes at almost 4,000 crores. This is the Nestle's profit, and also the Amul. They're all the international brands are each others in the market daily basis. They're in their cheese, butter, curd, ice cream, food categories, Britannia. These all are their main products which are sold daily in the market. Every household can purchase easily at every outlet in the shopkeepers shop. Which are available in the in the near hometown, near street. Besides their home also. Next slide, please. The objectives of the study. So the objectives of the study is to understand the concept of FMCG products, to know and understand the scope of marketing FMCG products in India, to identify the factors affecting consumer buying behavior and consumer decision making process, and the conclude the suggestion strategy for effective marketing in the FMCG product. These all are the objectives to study the FMCG product in the market. Next, next slide. Next slide, please. अभिषेक इसको इसके बाद एक और स्लाइड लगाओ, ये हो चुका है, एफएमसीजी हो गया ये। यस सर। ओके, ग्रोथ ऑफ एफएमसीजी इन इंडिया। Sir, the growth of FMCG in India at high rated. They grow daily basis in India because all the brands are compete each other at every basis. Further, like that, all the brands of biscuit providing companies are all added the flavor, taste, and their packaging strategy to change and to fulfill the consumer's demand, to fulfill their taste, their preference. Like as the Dabur, Britannia, Parle-G, they all are competitors of each other, but they all are providing the taste to their customers to maintain their strategy and to stay in the market. A large number of opportunities available in the FMCG products. The finance minister has proposed to introduce the integrated goods and service tax by April 2014. This is exceptionally good move because the growth of consumption, production, and employment is directly proportionate to reduction the indirect taxes. The consumer buying behavior decision is repeated when selected the FMCG product. Next slide, please. Characteristics of FMCG in India. Sir, they all are focused on branding, distribution network, contract manufacturing, and large unorganized sector. So branding, these are directly influenced by the customers because all the high branded products are easily sold in the market by the consumers because they provide the high rated brands, and they high promotions, TV serials, and they make the big banners to provide to advertise their product at every stage and every second. We all saw the seen the advertisement on the TV, so their branding are almost high. So all the companies are thinking that if their brands are strong, then the consumers directly purchase their products without any hesitation. And second, distribution network. If the products are not available in the market, then the consumers easily shift towards the other products. For example, in the COVID time, the Parle G biscuits sold so many their products in the COVID era because all the customers have tested their product, and the companies also provide their high distribution channels and all the shops because they are not providing their product, then the customer don't stay at products. They another brand. So the Parle because of the availability of the products in each and every shop. Contract manufacturing, because sir, if all the companies have not their branches and their manufacturing units in all over the states, all over the districts, they contract to the others brand and manufacture their products to fulfill the customer demands and maintain their branding. Sir, the last one is the large unorganized sector. The unorganized sector is the sir prevalence in the most product categories in the advantage or regional pressures. Areas where the large customer products have only limited presence, the low cost structure also gives them the advantages. Next slide, please. Sir, sir, the factor affecting consumers' buying behavior. All the consumers all the consumers we consume things daily uses and also consumes the buy the product according to their needs preference and buying power, and durable goods, especially goods and industrial goods. The buying which are also important because it gives a clue to market where his products have been success or not. Behavior marketing strategy is the game plan which the firms must adhere to the order outcomes and competitors to compete their plans and achieve the desirable objective. Next slide, please. Sir, marketing strategy and consumer behavior. Sir, marketing analysis, first one. Second one is marketing segmentation. Third one is marketing strategy. Fourth one is consumer decision process. And fifth one is outcomes. So the first one is marketing analysis. In this, there are four points. That is consumer, company, competitor, and conditions. In marketing and segmentation, there are 4 points also: identification product related needs, group customers with similar need set, and desire each group, select target market, and the third one is the market strategy. In this, there are 4 points. First one is product, price, distribution, communication, and service. Marketing strategy means the product. First of all, we sold the product and at which price. And the third one is the distribution, where the distribution channel are highly communicate to each shop or not. They are providing their products daily basis. And the communication between the customer and the buyer and the seller. And the service means which are satisfied the customer's wants, needs or not. And the fifth one is outcomes. Customer, if the products are not satisfied the customer needs, then the customers are not happy and they shift to the other product. And second one is sales, and fourth one is product branding. Next slide, please. Sir, further will explain my friend Amit. Amit, please explain the market analysis.
Yes, sir. Market analysis require an understanding of a forces which are consumer condition, competitor, and company. A study is undertaken to provide superior customer value, which is the main objectives of the company. For providing better customer value, we should learn the need of the consumer and the offering of the companies. Why is its competitors and the environment, which is economic, physical, and technological. And second, consumer. To understand the consumer's aspect, reaches are made. Something motivational reaches become handy to bring out hidden attribute, uncover emotional and feelings. Many themes and questionnaire to cons- customer to ask about their satisfaction and feedback future needs and ideas for a new product. The basis of an answer received and change in the marketing mix are made and advertising is also streamlined. The external analysis of company. The external analysis may be done by the feedback from the industry analyst and by the marketing research. The internal analysis is made by the firm's financial condition and quantum of the sales and force and other factors within the company. The study of these factors lead to a better understanding of the consumer and his needs. The competition in the market, in the analysis of the market, a study of a strength and weakness of others products of the competitors and their strategies and their anticipated how move they reaches to the companies moves and plans is to be made, and company after getting this information react to accordingly and change its marketing mix and offering is made in a manner which can outdo to competitor. This is a very difficult process and it is easier said than to have correct information about the competitors and to anticipate their future moves is the job of the researcher. And the condition under which the firms are operating has also to be seriously considered. The factors to be studied are the economy, the physical environment, government regulation, and technological development. These effects of consumer needs, the deterioration of the environment and its pollution may be lead to use to innovation of the safety products. People are healthy conscious are the concern with their safety, hence in this case the safe product have to better chances with the consumer. In the case research flow of money restricted greatly, this leads to be a formulation of the different marketing strategies. Aftab, next slide.
Okay. Next slide, please, Abhishek.
कर दिए
Slide number 13. The consumer decision process. Sir, are you there?
Sir, are you there?
I am here, I am listening you.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you. Sir, the consumer decision process. The consumer decision process means how they take decisions to purchase the FMCG products, which means to help their to fulfill their satisfaction, to fulfill their needs, which are suitable for them or not. This may be the problem of creating a cool atmosphere in your home. For this information, search is carried out. How to cool atmosphere to be can be provided. An air conditioner or by a water cooler. This leads to evaluation the alternatives and the cost benefit analysis is made to decide which products and brand image will be suitable for you and which brands are to sort out their problems suitably or adequately. Next slide, Abhishek, please. Yes. So discipline involves in the study of consumer behavior. First one is psychological, sociological, social, psychological, and cultural, atmosphere, and economic. First one is psychological. In a study, the individual, which includes motivation, perception, attitude and personality and learning theories. And in the social logical is a study of groups. When individual forms group, their actions and are sometimes quite different from each others, and their actions also of those very individual to individuals operating along. These influence the group members, family, and social class. In social psychological is a combination of sociology and psychology, and study how an individual operates in a group. It also study how those families are family and reference groups are comes in the social group, social psychological. In culture anthropology is the study of human being in a society. It explores the development of core belief, value, and customs that individuals which influence their purchasing power. And economy is also affect the customers purchasing power, because as important aspects to study the economic is the study how consumers spend their funds, how they evaluate alternatives, how they satisfy their purchasing power, and how they maximize their purchasing. If the economies have, sir, in COVID era, the purchasing power of all the customers are decreasing, because the earnings are not so much, because they all the companies are recruit their employees if there are not necessarily any employees in the organization. The
आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी?
हेलो सर,
आवाज नहीं आ रही? हाँ आ रही आवाज।
अब आ रही है सर. Sir, the
हाँ
conclusion of this project is, in the survey, the almost the respondents reply in the favor of the products. All are the purchasing the FMCG products daily basis. All, for example, they purchase the toothbrush, toothpaste, and the biscuits, milk, and the tissue papers. Or people still consider price of the most important factors during the price war between the two companies of the any products. Tide emerging leaders because it's how price allocate. Another finding is the most consumer still wants to the traditional shop. They purchase the household consumers daily basis. And thank you, sir. It's all about this.
एक्चुअली जो आपका प्रेजेंटेशन है, डिस्कशन है, इसमें आपने है कि आपने इसमें से कोई स्टडी नहीं की है, और स्टडी ना करने की वजह से आपने जो कुछ है एक पेपर को लिया है और उसको यहाँ को दे दिया मुझे, और बाकी काम मैं करना है। ये तो आपने वर्क कहाँ किया? तो आपने ये कहा था हम क्वेश्चनियर भरवाएंगे, ठीक है, ना तो आपने क्वेश्चनियर भरवाया ना क्वेश्चनियर पे काम किया। अगर आपने ये कहा था
सर, क्वेश्चनेयर भरवाया था हम लोगों ने सर.
कहाँ है, इसमें कहाँ है, दिखाओ।
सर वो क्या बोलते हैं, आदित्य मिश्रा है ना सर, उसने वो उसके साथ वो सिस्टम में सर अटैच था, तो सारा फीडबैक हम लोगों ने तो भेज दिया था सबको क्वेश्चन.
आपने 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 वो आपका रिजल्ट इसमें है ही नहीं। जब रिजल्ट नहीं है तो क्या करेंगे हम? रिजल्ट नहीं है तो हम उसमें क्या करेंगे? जब आपका रिजल्ट नहीं है, मैंने क्वेश्चनियर बनाया, वो चला गया कहीं और चला गया, तो उसके मार्क्स तो ना मिलेंगे।
नहीं नहीं सर, वो भी ग्रुप मेंबर ही था सर, आदित्य मिश्रा वो भी ग्रुप मेंबर में ही है.
वो तो चोरी वाली बात हुई ना, चोरी वाली बात हुई। आकांक्षा कहाँ है? आकांक्षा तो है नहीं। हाँ, आकांक्षा नहीं है ना?
है सर.
है सर।
कहाँ दिख तो रही है?
प्रेजेंट है सर।
बोल तो रही नहीं है।
आकांक्षा अनम्यूट सर कुछ पूछ रहे हैं, बोलो।
चलो ठीक है, ठीक है, वो दिखेगा क्या इतनी देर में तो आ रहा। चलिए, थैंक यू एवरीवन।
थैंक यू
क्योंकि
सर।
आपके में ज्यादा
थैंक यू सर।
प्रोडक्टिविटी नहीं है, बस ये है कि भाई आफ्ताब को मैं इसलिए मार्क्स दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि वो बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है। आफ्ताब को इसलिए मार्क्स दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि वो बोल रहे हैं लगातार और वो उस पर कंसंट्रेशन कर रहे हैं। दूसरी बात ये है कि आपने ना तो ये कहीं से असेंबल किया है, आपने सिर्फ एक दो उठा के आपने वो मुझे दिखा रहे हैं, बस ये है आपका वर्क, इसमें ज्यादा नहीं है, सिर्फ
सर हम लोगों ने इस
इसके
पे
अलावा सब लोग
सर इस पे हम लोगों ने वो क्वेश्चनेयर फिल कराया था सर, लेकिन वो आदित्य मिश्रा के पास है, वो सर पता नहीं अभी है नहीं वो, नहीं तो हम आपको शो कर देते हैं, वो सारा डेटा है
वर्क तो
हमारे
उतना ही है
पास।
ना, अरे वर्क तो उतना ही है। चलिए ठीक है, थैंक यू एवरीवन।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू, हैव अ सेफ डे।
थैंक यू